Okay, welcome back to another video. This is video 5 in this Wix Studio SEO video series, and in this video I want to talk about the importance of website audits and how website audits can be a really good way to uncover SEO opportunities that you might have missed. And website audits are something that you should be doing monthly, if not weekly. If you're doing SEO, because they show you the overall picture, the total high-level view and specific view of what's going on with your website. So one of the tools that I love to use to do this is called Screaming Frog. Screaming Frog is a free tool, but there's also a paid version. And let me just pull up their website real quick. So this is it's a SEO website crawler. So I love this tool, and the free version gives you 500 URLs, but then if you upgrade to a license, you get unlimited URLs and other things. So I have been using Screaming Frog for years. It's one of the best audit tools out there, and so let me show you what it can do. So if this is my website, your fitness finder, I'm going to put in the domain here into Screaming Frog, and it's going to crawl this website, and that's what this website audit is doing. It's trying to mimic what a website crawler would see, like a Google website crawler or other search engine website crawlers. It's going to give us so much information here, and you can see it's crawling the website right now, and it's looking at tons of different things. But I just want to show you a couple of different things that you can look at if you are using a SEO crawler like Screaming Frog. So as these are coming in, it's finding all the different URLs, and you can see them here. I'm just going to do the HTML ones. You can get other things here, but HTML. And it's telling me if they are indexable. If there was a page that wasn't indexable, then it would show here. My status code's important. So if I had a 404 page, an error page, that would show up here under status code. I don't have any here, which is good to see. And then if I kind of tab over, then I can see my title tag and my meta description here. So like this page, for example, is missing a meta description. This homepage, that's an opportunity. The other thing is you can tab over to these different things. So you have, and all of these different tabs mean different things. So like this is your response codes, your status codes here. These are all your page titles and your page title links, so you can see them all in one view. Your meta descriptions, and then your headings will show up here, and there's all kinds of data here. And I don't want to overwhelm you with this video. That's not the point. The point is that if you want to do SEO at scale, if you want to do it faster and better, then you should use a tool like Screaming Frog, because it's going to give you all the pages in one snapshot view. And then over here on the left hand side, they've simplified everything for you. So you have the overview of everything it just crawled, but you also have the issues. And here's where all the opportunities come in. So for example, this is a 301. That's a redirect. That's an issue. Here's a current soft 404, and it explains what the issue is down here and how to fix it. So it's ranking by issues, by their priority. So if we were to open this a little bit more, so you can see the issue priority, high, medium, or low. These are opportunities that I have for optimization. So for example, if my page title is over 60 characters, it's a little too long, I should probably go in and shorten this page title. Or if my page title is below 30 characters, then I could actually get another keyword in between here. I might be home bracket, your fitness finder bracket, top rated fitness professionals might be another good keyword to add into my title tag. So the reason the audits are so important is because you can uncover these opportunities here. You can uncover if you have 404 errors, or if you have title tag opportunities or meta descriptions or anything else. And then you can export this data, and there's all kinds of things you can do. So once you do find opportunities here that you feel like you can go in and start editing on your website, then you just go back into your Wix Studio website here, and you go in and start making those changes. So for example, title tag here, if I wanted to add that forward that / top rated fitness professionals, then I just go into my website. I have to go in and to the SEO settings here, and I could add that to my home page right here. So maybe I say top rated fitness businesses. Publish. So now I'm going in and I'm looking at that opportunities that I found in my audit, and I'm affecting the SEO on the back end. Another good tool for audits is SEMrush. I know I've talked about this a lot. It's because it's a tool that I really like, but let me just show you an example of an audit from SEMrush. This is a Wix Studio website here. So actually, I think I clicked on the wrong one. Nope, that's it. That's the right one. Okay, so this is just like Screaming Frog, but it's a little bit different. So it crawled the website, and it tells you when it last crawled it, and it shows you different issues. So if you go to the Issues tab, these are the different issues. There's warnings and errors, notices. You can look at 8 pages have only one incoming link, and then it tells you why and how to fix it. 11 pages have low word counts. 6 pages returned a 404 for this website. So those would be things we want to go in and fix. And then I can obviously see too the crawlability, so I can see information if I click into each of these, and there's all kinds of data that I can get out of these audits. And the reason I recommend this as the place to start is because you're going to see opportunities every time you do an audit. I haven't yet found a website that the site health is 100%. It's usually in the 80 to 90 or 70, somewhere in there, and there's opportunities to always optimize for SEO. It's an ongoing process. It's not a one-time thing. And so whether you're using Screaming Frog to do it, or you're using SEMrush to do it, then it doesn't really matter what audit tool you use. Just doing the website audit is going to help you uncover opportunities. So there are some things in the Wix Studio dashboard too that you can see, like it has this site inspection from Google Search Console. So it takes a second, but there's some issues and things you could find out here. But this is all pulling in from Google Search Console, which is another tool you could use to also audit your website. Not as user-friendly as Screaming Frog or SEMrush, I don't think, but it gives you some other options. They also have this SEO assistant checklist, so you can see here, here's some issues that I might want to look at. This is kind of their audit tool, the Wix audit tool itself. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you kind of go back through the 5 videos that we've covered here, keyword research, website audits, connecting with Google Search Console, submitting sitemaps, doing on-page optimizations, and then doing off-page optimizations, things like link building, getting a Google business profile. You can also do local citations to other local business listing websites. There's so many ways you can optimize your Wix Studio website, and I've heard from so many people that Wix does not have good SEO capabilities, and I couldn't disagree more. I think Wix has great SEO capabilities. I've seen several websites rank well on Wix for their target keywords, one of them being that GL Pro soccer training. That's a Wix website, and they get a lot of traffic from SEO. So 200 visits per month, and they're going up in their keywords. And I think a lot of it really just depends on how well you're growing your business. If your business is relevant, and if you're growing and you're doing the things you need to do, you can rank your website with Wix Studio for sure on the SEO side of things. So I don't really buy into that. I think that Wix Studio has great SEO capabilities. Wix has a whole team dedicated to making sure that websites load quickly and perform well. This is the site speed tab that shows you all of that data, because site speed is an important ranking factor for Google. It's important for users, and so I just don't really buy into the idea that Wix is bad for SEO. I think any website on Wix can be optimized for SEO and can do well. And that's what I've seen in my time working with clients, is that there's all the SEO capabilities are here. It's in how you go about optimizing it and what's your strategy to rank for your keywords and reach your target audience. So I hope you found this video series helpful. It's been fun for me to kind of uncover the hood on the SEO side of things. I don't talk about this very often on my YouTube channel or in my other content, but I've been doing SEO for a long time, for years now. And so I know that some of this was probably really complicated. I tried to keep it simple, but try to also expose you to some of the tools and resources that are out there, like Screaming Frog, SEMrush, Backlinko is another great resource for anything SEO. And then Wix has their own content that you can watch about SEO and learn from them directly, and you can see what they're saying and how you can best optimize your website. So this concludes the end of this video series, and thank you so much if you've watched all 5 of these videos. I hope that you've gotten some value out of the Wix Studio SEO video series.